For cool season lawns, one of the best things you can do for your turf is to be on a really good pre-emergent program. So you may ask yourself, when is the best time to put down your first pre-emergent? Well, that's going to be based on your soil temperatures. And we want to make sure we get that pre-emergent down as soil temperatures approach 55 degrees. So what I'm going to show you here in this video is what I use to get historical data on my soil so that I have some idea when is the time frame for me to drop that pre-emergent. So I hope this is helpful to you. One of the best resources you could utilize is greencastonline.com/tools/soil-temperature as represented here in the URL. Once you're on that site, you simply go and put in your zip code and the graph defaults to the last 30 days. But we don't want that information. What we want to know is around what time of the year am I going to hit or get close to the 55-degree soil temperature. So personally, I know that I put down my pre-emergent around March of last year. So what I'm going to do is a custom date range here. Now, this is a fantastic visual representation of soil temperatures. You can easily see how the temperatures are changing here. You can note that the blue line is for last year, 2021. The black line is for a 5-year average and the green line is for a 10-year average. Now personally, I look at the 5-year average and I look at last year, but I really base my decision on the 5-year average. So I know I put mine down last year right around this time. So this, if I look at the 5-year average here, temperatures are a little bit low and they start to go up a bit here. So it looks like around the 24th is going to be a great time for me. So I will start paying attention to the temperatures around March 20th and kind of looking at the 15-day forecast and deciding when to put that down, because I definitely want to get it down before those soil temperatures start rising and weed germination becomes an issue. Easy peasy. So there you have it, a simple way to check your soil temperatures. If this or any content that I've ever put out has been helpful to you, please consider buying me a coffee. It goes a long way to help support the channel and keep the content coming. All right, thank you, and you have a great season.